Hello traders, welcome back. In the previous lecture, I have discussed about how to detect an early formation of an uptrend and then trade the trend using swing trading strategy. Now in this lecture today, I will show you the steps of uptrend formation using real chart example. As you can see, this is a 4-hour chart of euro versus dollar. I have intentionally removed the rest of the price actions from this chart and will show you the rest of the price actions of this chart step by step as I explain you the strategy further ahead. Because I want you to understand the steps like you have not seen the upcoming result of the market yet. It's very time consuming to make a lecture on uptrend formation using live market charts because a trend formation takes quite a long time. That's why I will give you examples using old price action data, but that will work fine because as you may know that history repeats itself and that's the core of technical analysis. So let's confirm an uptrend with the steps that you have learned in the previous lecture. As you can see, the market is now showing downtrend momentum on this currency pair, and this bottom level is the lowest price level on this Euro USD chart. Now if price goes up from this bottom level and make an uptrend, then this bottom level would be our higher low level 1. So let's see what happened next. And as you can see, price rose up from the bottom level and made a new valid top, which you can see with a bearish pin bar candle with a long tail above. So we can assume that this might be the new swing high or top of the market as the pin bar tail shows us the rejection of the bullish momentum. And let's assume that if the market continues to go up and make an uptrend, then the current bottom level would become the first higher low level. Now we can say for sure if the current top we are seeing is higher high level 1 because we don't know yet if price will go more up without making the second valid higher low point. And we can't confirm a higher high level until we have a valid bottom or higher low level. So let's wait and see what the market brings us next. And as I uncover some more price action, you can see that price continued to go up and made a new top level. So the previous pin bar's high is not the higher high one, but we're still not sure if this new high or top level is the higher high one because price can go more up without making a valid bottom. So let's wait and see what comes next. And if I uncover some more price action, then you can see finally price went down to create a new bottom and has retraced more than 70% of the previous bullish rally. So we can call this bottom as a valid bottom if price rise up from this stage. The long tail of the most recent pin bar indicates that buyers are getting stronger over the sellers, which is why chances are huge that price will make a pullback towards the upward direction. But we will not trigger any long trades here after the pin bar since we are still in the territory of the downtrend momentum and we need the uptrend confirmation to go long. Now if price goes up and make a new valid top, then the pin bar's low will be considered as higher low level 2. But we are not sure if price will go further down or will go up, but we have the confirmation that the previous top is the higher high level 1. So until now we have one higher low and one higher high level, but we need at least 2 higher highs and 2 higher lows to confirm the uptrend. So let's just wait and see if price goes up or down. So as you can see, price finally rose up and made a new high above the previous high. So is this the new high or higher high level 2? Well, we don't know yet. Price can rise more up, so we need another bottom level to confirm the higher high 2. But we have the confirmation that the previous bottom is higher low 2. So until now we have 2 valid higher lows and 1 valid higher high in this price action chart. And again, if I uncover some more price action, then you can see that price falls from the current high and made a new bottom level as price retraced almost 50% of the previous bullish rally. So we can call the current high as higher high 2. So until now, we have 2 higher highs and 2 higher lows in this price action chart. So finally the uptrend is now confirmed, though we can't say for sure if the uptrend will continue for more time, but still it's an uptrend formation on this price action chart. So now we can place long trade entries at every next higher low point we will see in this uptrend. Now let's see if we got a strong bullish candlestick pattern after the big bearish candle so that we can be sure about the validity of this current bottom level and hence can trigger long trade entries on this new uptrend market. And if we wait for the next candle to form, then you can see that we got this bullish candle inside the big bearish candle at the bottom. So this is a bullish inside bar candlestick pattern at the bottom of an uptrend. Now since we have confirmed the uptrend and we got a bullish candlestick at the bottom, we can trigger long trade entry right after the closing of the bullish candle if we want to go aggressive here. But we should not do that. Rather, we need to wait for the inside bar pattern to get broken from the top, because price can go furthermore down after this bullish inside bar candle. So it would be a wise decision to wait for the exact confirmation to trade long. So we will wait for the mother candle's high to be broken, only then we can trigger our very first long trade entry on this new uptrend. So let's wait and see in which direction price break the mother candle's range. And as we had expected, the inside bar candlestick pattern worked as a trend reversal pattern, and hence price broke the mother candle's high. Now we can trigger long trade entry after the breaking of the mother candle's high. And since the mother candle is quite big, so our stop loss should be around 80% below the mother candle's range. And our profit target should be set for at least twice the size of the stop loss using 1:2 risk and reward ratio model. So now let's wait and see if our very first trade on this newborn uptrend can give us some profit or not. And as I uncover some more price action, then you can see that our profit target got hit and we booked more than 150 pips in this one single trade from this newborn uptrend. Now it looks like an uptrend if you want to notice the price action with bare eyes without counting the higher highs and higher lows. But by the time other price action traders who depends on the indicators only to detect a trend preparing themselves for the next higher low to go long, we already booked some early profits from this newborn uptrend without risking too much of our capital. Isn't it too much simple? You can see how comfortably we booked a large number of pips by following some simple rules. And this is not the end yet. Now let's see if we can catch more profit from this newborn uptrend. And as I uncover some more price action, you can see that price went down for at least 40% of the retracement from the previous rally and hence qualified to make a valid bottom. Now let's see if any strong bullish candlestick pattern will form after these bearish candles so that we can place another long trade entry on this uptrend market. Now if we wait for the next candle to form, then you can see that a strong bullish engulfing candlestick pattern has appeared at the bottom of this uptrend, which indicates that the uptrend will continue for more time after this engulfing candlestick pattern. Now that we have all the three confirmation here, like we are in an uptrend, we have a valid higher low level and a strong candlestick pattern, so that means we have a valid signal to go long. So let's trigger long trade entry at the closing price of the engulfing candle, then set the stop loss at 3 pips below the engulfing candlestick pattern, and then aim for the initial profit target for at least 2 times the size of the stop loss. Now that we are all set, so forget everything about the trade, take a break from the trading desk, enjoy the time with your friends and family, do whatever you want to do, and just get relaxed. And let's say after you enjoyed the time on your own way, you sat in front of your trading desk with a cup of coffee to see if your profit target got hit or not, then you will notice that the price has hit the profit target for even this trade too. Isn't it a very simple and an effective strategy to trade in an uptrend market? Yes, it is, right? So that's how we will trade the uptrend even from the very beginning of its birth. This is a very simple and effective way to trade the market by analyzing the price action chart. Every single step that I mention here in this video is a tested method by the market professionals. So practice this strategy by analyzing the old price action chart and make yourself more comfortable to trade the market and become a successful swing trader. In the next lecture, I will show you the strategy for short trade entries in a downtrend market. So that's all for now. We'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.